Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your Oladance OWS Pro. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And now it automatically reconnects to your phone. If it doesn't, just click on it at the device list. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset, so put it to the charging case and after that close the charging case. The earbuds is disconnected from your phone and now open it again and it will reconnect it. And we have it. If it didn't help you, we should remove and add these earbuds. So click the settings icon or information icon if you have iOS. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And now these earbuds should enter to pairing mode automatically and we can see it at the device list. So just click on it and then click pair. And we did it. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. To perform a hard reset, just put it to the charging case and after that right here we have two touch controls. So just press and hold both of it until you can see that your earbuds is disconnected from your phone. Here we go, now release your finger and firstly we should remove it. So forget this device, forget device. Also click pair new device on your Android and it enters to pairing mode automatically. You can see it at the device list, so just click on it and then click pair. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!